All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with GetLocalLeads.ai. Now, in this video, we're continuing our video series of 5-minute questions for the founder, where we are going over AI visibility strategies that are going to make sure you are in position to survive and thrive this huge change going on in the world of AI in your industry. Okay, so of course, as always, my team tells me I have to keep these under 5 minutes. We're going to get that timer set right now. We know you've got big things to be doing and not sitting here talking to me. So, here's the question for the day. What is the most effective AI visibility product? Wow. Well, that's a great question. I think that there are lots of AI visibility products coming onto the market. They're kind of flooding the market. It is very difficult to keep up with them. Now, here is what I would say if I were going to pick a type of product as, I mean, I'm one of the founders of an AI visibility agency, but if I were going to pick a product that would make us more AI visible, uh, and and this is really honestly what I believe, I would find a product that can provide the best quality content available on the internet. If I could find that, that is what I would go for because these AI tools and what is the best content on the internet? Well, it's content that people like to read. Okay, so it's optimized for people. It's content that search engines want to rank. Okay, so Google's EEAT guidelines, SEO, all that stuff. It's got to speak to Google. So it's got to speak to people. It's got to speak to Google and be perfectly SEO optimized. And then lastly, it's got to speak to AI. That's what AI visible is. Okay, so it has to be optimized for AI with your markup schema and hyper geo targeting and like all the other things that go into the AI visibility part of content. Now, if there was a tool that could do that, that is what I would be putting out there for me. Now, there are a lot of content businesses that attempt to do those things. That's what we have been building ourselves. We actually have a beta app that's right on our website, getlocalleads.ai, where we are beta testing a very sophisticated writing software that delivers directly into your website and it has a whole profile about your business. It knows everything about your business. It writes as if it's a 10-year veteran. It writes as if it's you. And that's the goal is we want to give the AI a just incredible quality of information, depth of information, so that when it looks at your business, it says you're absolutely a legitimate business. You're the best at what you do, and you're the best fit because it's got that personality in there. You're a fit for the person who is looking for your services. Okay. So, what is the most effective AI visibility product? Well, I would say the product that is going to create the best depth of content, the best quality content on the internet. If you'd like to check ours out and you want to be a beta tester of that, book a call. We could probably, if you're willing to give feedback, we can probably actually do something pretty cool for you. And that software is super cool. Okay. So anyway, thank you so much for being here with me. Feel free to book a call down in the description or over at getlocalleads.ai. I'll see you in the next 5-minute questions for the founder. God bless.